obsessed, got me obsessed, got me obsessed.
I have another Glueless install for y'all today, and today's wig is from BGMGirl Hair. This wig is so freaking beautiful, y'all. You know I live for big curly hair. This is a water wave texture. I want to thank them for sponsoring today's wig install for y'all. I hope y'all have been liking me doing these talk through wig install videos. I feel like when the wig is glueless, I can just talk through it with you guys instead of having music going in the background. So if you prefer the talk through style videos, definitely let me know in the comment section down below and give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, y'all know what to do. Go ahead, subscribe, and hit that bell so you're notified as soon as your girl posts a new video, because I do post 2 to 3 new videos per week. This year is almost over and your girl has been consistent AF this year, and I just want to give myself a pat on the back for that, because y'all already know how I've been previous years. We're not even gonna talk about that, okay? Anyways, if you would like to get into this wig install, y'all know what to do. Definitely keep watching. So my wig arrived in this shopping bag, and then the wig also came inside of this box. Even the bag has BGMGirl hair on it, which I think is super bomb. And then my wig is inside of this box right here. So my wig today is from BGMGirl Hair. Y'all should already know that from the intro and the title, but just want to let you know again in case you missed it. Here is the wig here. This is a water wave wig, y'all, in 26 inches. 26 inch has been my vibe as of late, okay? And then at the bottom of the box was this satin bag here. I love using these satin bags to store the wig once I'm not wearing it anymore. And inside of the satin bag are some freebies, of course. Y'all know I love the wig freebies, okay? We have a hair bonnet, which is perfect for if you want to wear your wig at night. You can tie it down, and this is going to keep everything in place. It also came with this pink edge brush. You can never have too many edge brushes, girl, okay? And then here is an elastic band. I don't really use the elastic bands to melt my glueless wigs, but that's an option. It also came with these lashes, this HD wig cap, and then it came with a regular wig cap, and I've been needing some more of these, so thank you, I appreciate it. And then the wig came with hair care instructions. Be sure to read and check them out so that you can make sure you're taking care of your wig. Wigs are an investment, so you definitely want to make sure that you're taking proper care of them. So here's the main attraction, the wig. It came in this plastic bag right here. Let's go ahead and take this baby out. And as I mentioned, this is a water wave texture. It is 26 inches long. It did come with a hair net around it, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove that. And then here is the texture of the hair, y'all. Look at how pretty it is. Oh, this is so pretty. I feel like I don't even need to define the curls on this hair because they already look super bomb. The lace is 4 by 6 inches, so it's 4 inches back and 6 inches here around the hairline, so you do get a bigger hairline space. It has bleach knots, a plucked hairline, and the lace has already been pre-cut, so it is ready to wear, y'all. So here is the inside of the cap. It doesn't have any wig combs in it. It just has the adjustable strap here, so you can tighten the wig around your head. It is a completely glueless cap, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my foundation under the lace per usual, and then we're gonna go ahead and install this baby. So I applied the foundation under the lace. Now it is time to install this baby. Let's go. Oh yeah, this cap feels stretchy and it just molds to the head. Yeah, that's nice. And it's not too tight, like it's just right. What do we think? Do we like? There's just like a little extra lace on here. I'm gonna go ahead and remove that, y'all. That looks a lot better now. I'm not gonna do any baby hairs with this install because I've been doing a lot of baby hairs. I know all of you don't like that and you don't have to do it. So let's just go ahead and part the hair all the way down the middle. And then I'm gonna take my Ebon wax stick and run it around the parting area. And then I'm gonna take my olive oil spritz and run it down the parting as well. My hot comb is nice and hot now, so let's go ahead and flatten out this top area. I feel like y'all should already know the steps by now because I kind of do the same old when I'm installing my wigs. Like, listen, if it's not broke, don't fix it. I'm going in with my MAC concealer palette. This is NC, is this NC45? No, this is NW40. There we go. Then I'm gonna rub my finger through the parting area. And now that parting is nice and pronounced the way that I like it, y'all. So the curls on this wig already look really nice. So I'm not going to define the curls on this hair. I'm gonna wear it exactly as is because it already comes with the hair defined nicely and it already comes with the lace pre-cut. This is one of their wear and go wigs. So I'm just going to keep it just like this because if you purchase this wig, when you receive it, this is exactly how it's gonna look for you. So I'm just gonna go in with this wide tooth comb and just make it a little bigger the way that I like it. I go a little up top, but I mainly like to focus on the bottom layers when I'm making the hair bigger. I'm also gonna take my fingers and just break up some of the curls, and this is it, y'all. This is the look. So this glueless wig install turned out super cute. I didn't do the baby hairs. For those of you who don't like baby hairs, you can get a completely glueless install like this without baby hairs. See, there is absolutely no tape glue adhesive on my hairline, but it still looks super nice and natural, as you can see. If you are interested in checking out this wig from BGMGirl Hair, I will leave a link down below in the description box, as well as any coupon codes that they provide your girl with. And if you're interested in checking out my latest Get Ready With Me video, baby, go ahead, click the box right here so you can get your face looking super cute like mine in this video, okay?